Hey guys, I'm about to go through the line dance called the Jive Boogie. Now this one is a lot of fun. It's quick, so it's good for some cardio workout. Yes, so give it a go, see how you go. It just takes some practice, yeah? So there's a couple of steps at the start which sort of challenge the brain a little bit, but then once you've got those under wraps, the second half is pretty straightforward. So let's get going. So I'll show you front on as well as from behind so you can copy my feet, but we're starting with our left leg and we do 2 step taps. So we tap in and we step and we tap and we step. So they're tap steps. So it is important that you start with your feet out in second. This is second position so that they're apart. And we take our left leg, we come tap, step, tap, step. Now we've got take our left leg, it goes behind. We change our weight to our right foot and then left releases. So then we do the same on the right foot. So behind, side, release. Yeah, so it's a 3-step, 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. I'll show you from behind so you can follow along. So we start on our left, it taps first, it brings in, out, then left goes behind, right behind. Yeah, so counting to 3. So we've got 2 tap steps, we've got 1 step, 2 step, then 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Then we've got 3 kicks, so little kick steps. We're going left and the right and the left. I'll show you to the front. So it goes left first, left and the right and the left comes in. Then instead of doing a 4th single kick, we're doing a double. So it goes to the front and the side. So I'll just show you those from the back. So from the kicks, you've got left and the right and the left and the kick. Now we repeat that 3-step sequence that we did before, the behind side release, that one, the little triple step. So we've got behind side release, and that's going on the right. So from the beginning, we're starting on the left, we go tap, step, left goes behind, right behind. Then we go kick, and the 2, and the 3, and the kick. Now the second time we do those behind side release steps, we start with the right leg. So we're going behind and behind. Now we're nearly done. So then we've got our right leg. Now we're going to do some little twist steps. And the easiest way to do these is you showing your heel to the audience. So you're going heel, 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 and you should be on your toes. So it's like you're stepping on your toes, but you're showing your heel. And then you twist, show your heel, show your heel, show your heel, and the twist will naturally happen. So you're turning your knee and your toe out, turn it out, then when you go to do the other one, this one should turn back in, yeah? So now you've got to point it out, this one goes with it, and turn. So twist, 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 and we do 8 of those, yeah? So we've just finished the kick, and we go behind and behind, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we do a 3/4 turn around. So we start going around to the right, and we do a 3/4 turn, so we should end up at the wall. We started at the front, we should end up at the wall to our left, yeah? But you've just gone a long way around of getting there. And once you get here, you're gonna do a stamp, in, stamp, then clap. Now if you stamp, your feet should be apart like this, and then we start again. So our feet are apart from the beginning again. So after you've done the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, right leg goes out, in, out, then clap. We start again. So that's what it looks like from the front instead of the side. So just going over it again, we've got all the way through, starting with the taps on from the left. So we go tap, step, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. The kick 1, and the 2, and the 3. The double kick. Then 1, 2, 3 again. 1, 2, 3. Right leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then out, out, in, out, out. Yeah? So those feet, it's a little bit like a tap step. There's stamps on your toes, stamps, clap. Now you don't have to worry about too much of particular technique, but it is quite fast, so it will kind of blur out altogether. Yeah, so we'll do it to the music.
Well, are you ready to dance? You got the rhythm if you give it a chance. The motivation to be cutting the rug and keep it digging till it's totally done. So get a bug and boogie woogie, jive on the boogie, boogie woogie to the.
So then what happens is you just keep going around that 3/4 turn, so to your right. So if you turn around to your right, then you'll end up here. You do it here, then you go around to your right, then you'll end up at the back. Then as you go around to your right, then you'll end up back here. If I do it from the back, so you're following. So each time you go around on your little twist steps, you go round to your right, so you're going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you've done a 3/4 turn, here. Then again, so you do all of the start bit again. But once you get to your twist steps, 3/4 turn, round to your right. So you're going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You should be starting facing the back, even though I'm facing you right now. And then here. Then again, when you go your 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, you go around to your right. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, you'll end up on, so if you started here, you'll end up on the right wall, so here. And then when you, to finish, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, you'll be facing the back. But it does go around a number of times. And in the later half of the song, it kind of speeds up a little bit too. So, you know, the tempo goes up a slight notch. Yeah, it's good fun. Good to, yeah, do at home, get your cardio fitness going. And, yeah, I hope you enjoy this one.